Hello, darlings. This is your Add and Subtract Fractions Edpuzzle quiz. So make sure you are an expert at adding and subtracting fractions, and realize that I'm also going to ask you to combine it with previous topics. Make sure you realize that Edpuzzle answers are final and cannot be changed. You cannot go back to a question, and you cannot email me later with different answers. So you may not use your notes. You may not use any other tabs or Google. You may use a blank sheet of scratch paper, and you're really going to need it. Something to write with, and of course your brain. So, if you agree to all that, then you agree to the academic integrity and principled action statement. What is 5/6 plus 4/3? What is 7/8 minus 4/12? The next questions are going to get a little complicated. Make sure you're writing stuff down. So 1 loaf of bread takes 6 cups of flour, 1/8 cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of yeast, a tablespoon of salt, and a 1/4 stick of butter. Calculate how much of each ingredient you need for 3 loaves and write it down. Your pantry has 20 cups of flour, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 7 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of salt, and a 1/2 stick of butter. Figure out what you need from the store. You're going to buy more at the store. Now comes the questions. Once you buy the ingredients, how much do you need from those new packages? So how much yeast do you need from the new package? So you're going to use all the salt you have. How much salt do you need from the new package? You're going to use all the old butter you have. How much butter do you need to add from the new package? Now, we're going to take a second and review. How do we multiply fractions? Please explain. How do we divide at fractions? Make sure you explain in detail. And how do we add and subtract fractions? Alrighty, guys. Have a great day.